Alright, hey, what's going on, YouTubers? I want to just make a quick video, a little 2-minute Tuesday. I don't know if this is going to be Tuesday or not, but we're making a few little upgrades to the bus, and so I thought I'd just make a little update video talking about what we're doing. So today I wanted to talk about how to build a fort with kids. I'm just kidding. We made a outdoor table because I saw Navigation Nowhere. He's got a great channel, Instagram, YouTube. He has an outdoor table. I was like, I want an outdoor table. So I was like, I'll throw one on there real quick. My parents had an extra piece of wood, and we had some hinges from an indoor table that we were gonna use, but we decided not to. Also, this camera is very heavy, so I have to keep switching hands. And yeah, so I screwed it into the bus real quick and easy. Just got some self-drilling metal screws. They're like 3/4 of an inch or less, I think, 1/2 inch, and just screwed them straight into the side of the bus here. And I'll show you how it works. I also have baby grass I don't want to step on. Look at that. It's a little wobbly, but it does the trick. And yeah, I think that's it. Super easy. I'll put a link to the hinges and a link to the piece of wood. It was a free piece of wood on the side of the road. Hi, bud. You could just use plywood too, or any other cool piece of wood that you want. And then to get it down, you need 2 hands. So I'm going to put this down and show you. You just push up on the sides here. Push this part up, and then it slides down. Push it up.
Yeah.
It snaps into place.
Yeah.
And then what can we cook out here? Anything.
Anything.
Propane.
Propane. Whatever.
Whatever you want.
Mm-hmm.
We could.
Pancakes.
Pancakes?
Whatever.
You think we could sit on this?
No.
Probably not. It doesn't look very sturdy. You might put a piece of wood across the back there to make it more sturdy. I don't know. And then we shut it. Shove it up. Get it? Voila. Easy as that. Then while we drive, it goes like this. Ooh.
Yeah.
Open it up again. All right.
And then go like this while we're driving. Boom, boom, boom.
That's right. Let's lift it up one more time. Oop. Pretty neat.
And then